That's why she's not coming. You see how she's smiling away? Yes. Okay, children. Correct time. We are going to start our class because no time to waste. Take a new page in your EVS classwork. Okay, Effie. Can you tell me the last one? What do you wrote in your classwork note? EVS classwork? What did you write?
We wrote name any two.
What is it? Name any two. Okay, we are going to continue. So no need to write the lesson number. Tell me the Roman number over there. Roman number?
2, ma'am.
Oh, now you can write Roman number 3. Let me check what I have written here. But still, you write 3 lines you draw. Roman number 3. Sri Mukilan is showing all the pictures of the flight and all that. Sri Mukilan, pay attention in class. Good boy. Now, good morning to all. We are going to start our class. Now, we completed name any two. Now, we'll just do Roman number 3. Now, let's see what we are going to do. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Please write Roman number 3. Turn off your mic. You write exactly like this. Roman number 3. Where do these animals live? Write that on the first line. Don't write CW because it's for me to make you write classwork. You don't write. If you want to write, you can write, no problem. Where do these animals live? Only write the heading now. Then ma'am will tell you what you have to do. Everything you have to leave one line. You write the heading, leave a line. From the margin, you start that question. Now the animal, after leaving one line, animal. And draw a line in the center, the middle of your notebook. Write home. That means we are going to write the animal's name and their homes. Now let me see whether you know this. I'm not going to write anything. After writing the heading, I will tell you what you have to do. Where do these animals live? Then leave a line, animal. Animal. If you want to leave a line, you can leave. If you don't want to leave, but you have to write neatly means, no need to leave. Animal, after writing animal, leave a line. Copy 1 to 6. Monkeys, lions, bears, rats, snakes, because same thing. Rats, snakes, birds, cows, buffaloes. Then I will ask you. Please write the questions without making mistakes. Come on. Write the questions. You can leave, but after the heading, leave a line. After animal, leave a line. Write the questions. Yes. Yes, neat work. Okay, let me check. After the heading, leave a line. animal, heading, leave a line. Then you write 1 to 6 numbers. Handwriting should be pakka, neat work. Let me see. Yes. Effie, can you show me your notebook? I will ask one by one. Just I want to see how you started. Whether it's neat. Only Effie. Others can continue. Effie finished writing. Very good. Effie, you can draw a line in the middle. Okay, in the middle. Because home, it will take only little space. Now, Tarush, are you writing? I cannot hear Tarush. Your mic is off.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, write neatly. Tarush, your hair little back. It will fall on your eyes. Hair. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Alan.
Alan, what happened, Alan?
Ma'am, they should leave a line after monkeys and write lions.
That's up to you, because if you're writing neatly, there is no need for you to leave a line, because it will be neat. Others, those who are trying to write neatly, it's better to leave. You know, it's if he did not leave, but the work is neat. After writing all the 6, draw a line in the middle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I want to get the answer from you. Okay, last time I asked some children. Now I'm going to start with 11 onwards. 11. Okay. 11 is Pratika is not there. Now, Samantha, sweetie, are you there, Samantha?
Ma'am.
Samantha? Yes. Can you tell me the home of monkeys? Where do monkeys live? Samantha? Not there. Somebody said, ma'am. Shashwata. Samantha. Okay, Samantha, tell me. Samantha, monkeys. Where do you find monkeys, Samantha? We cannot keep them in our house. When you go out, when you go for picnics and all that, monkeys will be jumping on something. Tell me, what is it? Samantha, when you go out, like for picnic and far away from your house, through the forest and all that, you see monkeys jumping about on something. What is it? Shashwata, can you tell me, Samantha? You have to pay attention, okay? Shashwata, can you tell me? Monkeys live on. No. Shama.
Ma'am.
Shama, yes. Where do you find monkeys outside?
Trees, ma'am.
Spelling? Shama.
Ma'am.
Shama, please hurry up, Shama. Monkeys live on which place? Which? I don't want to tell more than this. I cannot explain. Say properly, Shama. Where do you find monkeys when you go out? It will be jumping on something.
Tree.
Please be clear, children. Trees. Okay, trees. Now, Shaina, tell me the next one. Lions. Other children can write.
Ma'am, lions live in dens.
Very good. Dens. Lions, plural, so dens. No problem if you write singular, but here plural is given question. You can write dens. Okay, Shaina. Tanvi. Children, you are getting marks, children. Please open your mouth and speak. Tanvi. Tanvi, are you there? No. Arush. Arush. What happened to Arush?
Yes,
Tell me bears. Where do they live? Bears.
ma'am, bats live in caves, ma'am.
Very good. See, those who attend class regularly are speaking well. Very good, Arush. You all are getting marks for it. Good. Now, next one. Ahil. Ahil, tell me rats, snakes. both of them the same place, like, so I've given both together. Rats and snakes. Akhil, where do they live? Okay. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me,
Yes,
where do
ma'am.
rats and snakes live?
Ma'am, rats and snakes live in a holes.
Very good. In holes.
Holes, ma'am.
When you say in holes, very good, Alan. See, I don't want you to copy from me. That's what I'm getting the answer from you. Now, Akhilen, can you tell me
Yes,
where do
ma'am.
birds live? Birds make dash. What do birds make?
Birds make nest.
Very good, Akhilen. See, even Akhilen is attending the class daily and is getting good mark. Very good. Now we'll go to B class. It's from 11. Rida, please tell me, Rida, hurry up, Rida. Cows, buffaloes. We make shelters for them. What do we call those shelters for cows and buffaloes? What we make? People make. Rida? No. Riha is not attending the class. Sanvi. Cows
Yes,
and buffaloes. Who's this?
Sanvi, ma'am.
Yes, Sanvi. Good. How are you, Sanvi?
Fine, ma'am.
Can you tell me, cows and buffaloes? Now we give shelter to them. We make something for them. People make. What is it?
Shed.
Very good. Sheds. Good children. I'm very happy. Very good. Now, Sona. Okay, children, 1 minute. Sona, wait. Hope you'd have written all these answers now. We got some more. Have you written these answers, children?
No.
Yes. Please write. I'm waiting. Sorry. Now wait. Now who's that? Don't, Sona, turn off your mic. Let them finish. You'll write, then ma'am will give the next one. Those who did not finish, ma'am is waiting. And I'm very happy that all of you answered well. Always you must read the lessons. It's not only in English, Homes of Animals, here also in EVS, so it will be easy for you to find. Must know how to speak. I'm very happy with all the children today because they all said the answers. Now, I will start. Where is Rida? I saw Rida in the morning. She's not there. Akshida, I want you to attend the class. Akshida MP. She did not answer in the morning. Now she left. Okay, now get ready. Hurry up, Sona. Did you complete? Fast, Sona.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fast. I gave you enough time to copy. Then only we can do the next one. Sanvi, did you complete?
No, ma'am.
Why is Sanvi right soon? Ma'am is going to the next one. Okay, right. Good. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Now only you're starting, Sanvi.
No, ma'am.
Okay, where did you reach? Which question?
Cows.
Okay, right. Ma'am will wait. Cows, buffaloes. Niral, did you complete? Sona, did you complete?
Ma'am, completed before.
Okay, now you just put numbers till 10 or 12 continuously to the next page also. By the time, let them finish. Mishti, have you completed? Sri Mukilan?
Sixth one only, ma'am.
Okay. Which one? Sixth one, right. Sri Mukilan, don't play with your camera. I want the camera on. Those who are not switching on the camera, -2 marks daily. I will wait, ma'am. Wait, children, you write, okay? Sanvi, slowly you write. Ma'am will wait. Mitra, have you completed, Mitra?
No, ma'am.
Right. Right now. Now, Sona, can you read the Homes of Animals with the animal's name? First one. Yeah, read first one.
Monkey,
Trees.
lions, dens,
Dens.
caves, rats,
Caves.
rats, snakes,
Snakes. Holes.
birds, nests,
Yeah.
cows, buffaloes,
Shed. Very good. Now, children, as you write, you must learn the spelling. Those who have completed, sit and learn the spellings. Now, Tarush, did you complete?
No, ma'am. I'm just
Okay.
reading the text
Right,
on
right. Now, Sona, just wait, okay. Tangaratnam, they're taking long time to complete. I guess. Now,
ma'am, ma'am, in the next page you have to animate.
Misty, no need to turn on your mic, Misty. When it's going to the next page, I will take. Don't worry, okay? Tangaratnam, where do birds live? Where do birds live?
Next tree.
What is it?
Next tree.
Birds tree. See on the screen there? Tree we know, but tell me. Birds. Straight to birds, what is written? Nest. Okay, good. Okay, nest. Only nest. Now, Tangaratnam finish. Now, Virti.
Ma'am,
Sanvi. Okay, Sanvi. Wait, Sanvi. Wait, 1 minute. Let me. Virti, tell me, where do buffaloes and cows live?
Shed, ma'am.
Shed, ma'am. Don't say shed, ma'am. Shed. Okay. Alvin, last one. Then I will go to the next page. Tarosh, I'll go to the next page. Alvin, Jonathan. Alvin, where do bears live? Bears. 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 Where do bears live? Alvin? Alvin is not attending. Ansh John, can you tell me where do birds live? Ansh John?
Ma'am, birds live on trees, ma'am.
Where do bears live? Bears? Not birds live on trees.
In caves, ma'am.
Okay, birds live in nest. Don't say trees, we won't give you mark. They build nests by themselves and live in it. Okay, and bears live in caves. Birds live in nest. Okay, don't make mistake. Okay, Ansh. Good. Ansh has become a good boy. I'm very happy. Now, Dhruv, Tangaratna, I'm going to the next page soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv, can you tell me where do rats and snakes live? Where do rats and snakes live?
Holes.
Very good. And one general question for Harish. Harish, can you tell me where do rabbits live? Rabbits. Harish? Harish, not there. No. Okay. Now, 1 minute. We'll just see what is next. Tangaratnam, we waited for more than 13 minutes, no, 18 minutes. Now we'll go to the next one. You have to go to the recording and do it. Otherwise, other children will be getting bored up. Okay. Now let's see what is the next. Yeah, please continue till 12. Write all, don't write animal and home again. Write all the numbers 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And write the questions: horses, fish, hens, dogs, pigs, rabbits. Okay. Next question is for Sona. Sona, as you're writing, answer me. 1 minute, Sona. Let me take your name. Yes, Sona. Yes. Sona, tell me, where do horses live? Horses?
Stables.
Very good. Stables or stable? Okay, because plural, if you write, no problem. Very good, Sona. You start writing the questions. All must start writing the questions. When you finish the questions, you can write the answers one by one. I'll be asking. Now, Alvin, Ansh finished. Dhruv finished. Harish. What happened to Harish? Not there. Okay, we are going back to 11. 11 finish. Now the next set of children.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it Harish?
Yes.
Okay, Harish, tell me, where do fish, singular and plural is fish. Fish, where do fish live? Or you can ask, where does fish live? Also singular, plural, fish only. Tell me. Where do they live? Where do you find fish? If you take fish out of it, it will die. Starting with W, Harish.
Water, ma'am.
See, who? I don't want others to answer, please. Only Harish. Okay. Harish, you got the answer now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next question goes to next set of children. Now wait. Naren. Naren. Yes, where is Naren? Not attending the class. Okay. Naren, not there. Prajan.
Ma'am, Rajan, ma'am.
Okay, Prajan, tell me hands. It will be little bit difficult. Hands. Okay, Prajan, wait. Sachin, can you tell me hands? Sanjay Krishna.
Hands.
Only 1 minute. Those who are telling, tell your name when I call your name.
Ma'am, Sachin, ma'am.
Okay, Sachin, tell me. Where do hands live?
Ma'am.
Sachin. Others tell me. Oh, Jesus. I am asking Sachin. Others keep quiet. Sachin.
Ma'am.
Hands live in.
Hands live in farm.
Tell.
Hands live in farm.
Tell the spelling. I didn't get the word.
F-A-R-M.
No. No. 1 minute. Turn off your mic. Sanjay Krishna, can you tell me only Sanjay Krishna? No. Never mind. Sanjeevan.
Ma'am, Sunday, ma'am. Ma'am,
See,
my Sunday, ma'am.
who's that? Sanjay, tell me. See, it's not clear.
Kennel, ma'am.
Children, I just don't know how to stop you all.
Dogs live in kennel, ma'am.
Now, 1 minute. Who's that? Rahul, turn off your mic. Sanjay, tell me the answer. Hence, live in. You don't know, tell I don't know, ma'am, because I have to go to the next one. Don't worry. Don't worry, children. Now, you don't say all together. I don't want. Okay, wait. Sanjay, turn off your mic. Sanjeevan. Rahul, turn off your mic, Rahul.
Ma'am. Hey, cook.
Spelling, Sanjeevan.
C-O-O-P.
Very good. Now listen, children, it's not necessary that you must know all the spellings and all the words. Coop, hence coop. Okay, C-O-O-P. Right, S also no problem. I just want to get the answer from you. Okay, then you will learn better. Okay, right, no problem. Now, Sanjay, can you tell me about dogs? Dogs. Starting with K. Many times I have told. Sanjay, dogs. Fast. Okay, never mind, Sanjit. Now, Sanjay, wait. Sanjit, can you tell me where do dogs live?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Sanjit, ma'am.
Tell me, Sanjit, where do dogs live? Starting with K. Okay, wait, Sanjit. Sri Mukilal, don't worry. Sri Mukilal, where do dogs live?
Dogs live in dog houses.
Dog house. Others, please keep quiet, children. Why are you telling? I will put 0 for others, those who are coming in between. I can see you coming. I want everybody to learn. See, he is telling dog's house. That's not the right one. Tridip, can you tell me, Tridip? Tridip? Dogs live.
Yes, ma'am. Dogs
Yes.
live in kennel.
Spelling. K-E.
K-E-N-N-E-L. Yes, kennels.
Yes. If it's dog, you can say kennel. Dogs, kennels. Now listen. Others, now when you get marks, now don't tell, ma'am, where did I lose? Okay, others. It's not. I will give you chance to tell answers again. Oral work. Okay. Now, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, turn off your mic. That is the biggest problem here. Rahil, Harish, turn off your mic. Tridip, very good. Rahil, your mic is on.
Already mic off, ma'am.
Then why you're speaking now? Now, turn off. It's not coming. Okay. Now only it's off. Don't give trouble. Okay, good children. Now after Tridip, the next one. Sai Vasavi is not attending the class. I have to see to it. Sai Vasavi. In between, she's coming. I don't want all this. Sai Vasavi, where are you? Not there. Okay. Jeff.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me pigs. Pigs live in.
Pigs live in.
Yes, Jeff. I'll give one clue. Starting with yes. Only three letter word. 3 letters. Singular form of it. S. I don't know. Let me ask Niral. Jeff, wait. Niral, can you tell me pigs live in a dash? Oh, don't know. Niral?
I don't.
Okay, never mind. Ma'am, John Matthew, can you tell me? Pigs
Ma'am, my microphone is not working, ma'am.
Never mind. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, who's this crying like this? 1 minute.
Ma'am.
John, can you tell me? It's not working, you said. See, when you talk in between. John, what happened? It's working. Mic is working. You tell me. Pigs live in a... John,
I don't know.
Okay, don't know. It's okay. Now, see, in between. If you don't know, just don't say. Okay, I don't want. Who's that? I'm going to minus mark. Wait. Those who are coming in between, because I'm asking you in order. Now, till Niral, it's over. Now, we'll go to the... Don't come in between. 1 minute. Now, in between, if you come, I won't be able to. Now, next child is after John. I'm starting with Ritik Pranav. Can you tell me, Ritik? Pigs live in a...
Things.
Huh?
Things.
No. Turn off your mic. Now, John Matthew doesn't know. Kevin, starting with yes. Kevin. Okay. Cyrus.
Yes, ma'am.
Pigs live in a 3-letter word. Shall I tell you?
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, never mind. Let me see. Effie, this is not for Mark. Effie. Don't know Effie? Effie?
No, ma'am.
Alan, then man will tell the answer. Very good.
What can I tell?
No, I'm asking now. Alan, 1 minute. Alan? No. Now, who told me? Can I tell? Judah.
Sanvi, ma'am.
Sanvi, tell me.
Ma'am, Sanvi, ma'am.
Tell Sanvi.
Stay.
Good, Sanvi. Double clap for you. Okay. SVY style. Very good, Sanvi. Sanvi, very good. Never mind. All can find it. Turn off your mic. Now, children, when you don't get the answer, you will be anxious to hear. And you will get the answer at once. Very good, Sanvi.
Ma'am, pigs live in a pigsty.
Okay, now listen. Listen. See, I'm going to minus mark for the children who's having the mic on. Sanvi, very good. Sanvi finished telling. Now, one more thing you'll do fast. 1 minute, because it's already time. Okay, last one. Rabbits live in. Effie, tell me, rabbits live in?
Ma'am, rabbits live in burrows.
Yes, burrow or burrows. Now, children, this is over. Only this much. Please write it fast and get ready for the next class. And I don't want anybody to come. Don't worry about you don't know the answers, because you are learning better when you don't know the answer. Because this tie you will never forget again. You will be